To fix the Xfinity router Ethernet port blinking orange issue, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot the problem. First, understand that a blinking orange light on your Xfinity router's Ethernet port usually indicates a problem with the connection or the cable itself. Start by checking the Ethernet cable for any signs of damage or wear. Make sure it is securely connected to both the router and the device. Try replacing the cable with a new one if you suspect it is damaged. Next, restart your Xfinity router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This can often resolve connectivity issues and reset the router. If the issue persists, check your router's settings to ensure that the Ethernet port is enabled. You can do this by logging into your router's web interface, usually by typing its IP address into a web browser. The default IP address for Xfinity routers is typically 10.0.0.1. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Advanced Settings or the LAN Settings section, and verify that the Ethernet port is turned on. Save any changes you make and restart the router again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a problem with the router itself or your internet service. In this case, contact Xfinity support for further assistance or to schedule a repair or replacement of your router. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the Xfinity router Ethernet port blinking orange issue, getting your internet connection up and running smoothly again. Remember to always check the physical connections and settings before seeking further assistance, as these are often the simplest and most effective solutions.